You see all them coming out of there? Ooh, ooh, ow. Took one in the leg, took one in the leg, took one in the leg. Yep, here they come. Oh, this ain't gonna be pretty. All right. Remember the part where I told you about being just, yeah, I got one in the butt. Are you ready for this? I'm not ready for this. Don't even lie and tell me you are. Look at that view. How would you like to sit out on your back porch and have to look at that every day? I got a phone call a couple days ago. Real nice customer. She says, we got some bees. I said, well, let me come by and take a look at it. We're past the biggest part of our bee season, and it is now coming into fall, and it could be either way. If you hadn't noticed you had bees up to this point, they're probably not going to be honeybees. They're probably going to end up being maybe hornets or yellowjackets. As I was asking her questions, she's like, well, I think I got 2 nests. And I went, 2? Huh. Okay, let's take a look. Well, I can't wait to see this. This is going to be fun. I mean, this is seriously going to be fun. I'm trying to make this fun because really, honestly, I spent the whole first part of my day having to fix a water line at home and not really feeling the yappy vibe right now. I mean, I'm not. Come here, I got to show you this, all right? Let's check this out. No autographs, please. Hello, darling. Hello, darling. I don't have anything for you to eat. I'll make you a deal. If you'll get in the back of that truck, I'll take you home. What are you doing? That's my camera. You're now YouTube famous, Molly. I'll call you Molly. Bye, fans of Yappy. At least I got one somewhere. Molly. Okay, so get over here and I'm looking around like, okay, where are they at? My customer goes, right here. I'm going, ooh, yeah, well, we got some paper action going on right there. All right, so hey, it's late in the evening and they're kind of probably going to get a little pissy. You stay. What is this thing? My customer said it was a fire pit. I guess, you know, put the little legs on it, put your logs in there, sit out in the backyard, you know, drink a cold one, and go from there. The thing's huge. I mean, that's 2 foot. That's a 2 foot square right there, and they done built up in that thing. So there's a little lip on that, so they've got to be down actually in the thing. Hey, we're getting checked out. So this is the first one we got to do, but. Here we go. Now watch this. I guess they had half of their bunch when they showed up. Got into one, but look at here. The box. The Yellowjacket. Look at that. Look at all that paper up there. So whatever's in that box is full of Yellowjackets too. So we got to get everything set up, and I really want to start on that one first. They're gonna eat me up, but I got something for him. Hang on. I found the perfect Yellowjacket gloves. Hey, Hornet King, get you a pair of them things, huh? Now listen, he's got a whole bunch of little animals over there at his house. One day, someday, maybe, he might need a set of gloves that big. I don't know. Okay, probably not for the squirrel, probably not for the chicken, all right, but he's seriously gonna call me and be like, Yappy, we need to talk, son. He might be right. Just don't want to zip. I don't know why. Ooh, there we go. Yellowjackets, they're not like bees. Honeybees I've got a barb, like a fish hook, on their stinger. And when one of them sting you, the barb will come out. It pulls out of the backside of that honeybee, and they just get you once. Yellowjackets ain't got a barb. So when them suckers get you, it's like a tattoo gun. It just keeps on going. Hey, Molly, I got something for you. All right, I'm gonna crank this thing up. I may talk a lot, or I may play some music, but hey, suck it up, Buttercup. This gets loud. Ooh, oh, here they come. Ooh, 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 there's a bunch of them. Oh, oh, this is gonna be big. Oh, this is gonna be big. 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 You see all them coming out of there? Ooh, ooh, ow. Took one in the leg, took one in the leg, took one in the leg. Yep, here they come. Oh, this ain't gonna be pretty. This thing is, Here they come. Here they come. All right. Remember the part where I told you about being just, yeah, I got one in the butt, got one in the butt, got one in the butt. Come out, it's all right here. Oh, watch this, watch this, watch this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Oh, wow, you guys are gonna freaking go crazy when you see it. Get off my camera lens. Holy cow. Got me, got me, got me, got me. Oh, man. Oh, thank goodness tomorrow is a day of rest because I'm gonna need it after getting stung this many times. Oh, I hate these things. This thing is big huge. Big huge. Holy crap. Oh, they're on my camera. Look at, they're on my camera. They're all over me. They're stinging my camera. Oh man, come on, come on. Come on, you little turds. Yeah, I'll get you. Oh man. Have I told you how much I hate these things? There's one on my camera. They are stinging my camera. I wonder what it is with the electronics that kind of gets them to go to it. Look at this. Look at this. Holy cow. Wow. Here, let's catch some more. Let's catch some more. Let's get their numbers down before they eat me. Holy crap. All right. This is not good. Come on. Come on. Are you ready for this? I'm not ready for this. Don't even lie and tell me you are. I mean, like, for real. You ready? Holy cow. Holy cow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Holy cow. These were definitely not bees. Oh, there's one in my head. One in my head. Ah, there's one in my head. Oh, that did not tickle. I'm like burning up in this thing. It's hot out. I've been stung 7 times on my backside. Like, ow. It hurts. Put this thing over and see if I don't die. Alright, they ain't coming at me bad. Wow. That is freaking... oh, that is beautiful. And I'm sorry, girls. I'm sorry, but it's not your fault you were born mean as crap. That is so cool. Oh, wow. Do not try this at home. Don't. Oh, 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 check all them out. Check them out, check them out, check them out. They gotta go before they get me. My customer's pretty cool. She said, you can just carry that thing off if you want to. And I'm like, I don't think it's gonna be that easy. That is cool. All I'm gonna say is I'm not happy. Not happy at all. Glad I did that one first. Come over here and take a break for a minute. I took like, I got it like right in here. All this right here. That was right where my suit kind of pulled up. Wow. Can you believe that? 1, 9, 10 times. Every bit of 10 times. What really scared the stew out of me was I got 2 of them that actually got up in my veil. Not cool. Not cool. We're gonna get this stuff cleaned up, man. I'm telling you, my back right now, I'm gonna be itching like a son of a gun for the next couple days because I am not immune to Yellowjacket stings. So I'm gonna go home and put some plantain on them, and hopefully it won't be so bad. The worst part about it's the itch. I mean, I swell a little bit, but I'll itch for 3 days. I'll be like walking around scratching my butt now. And I don't normally do that. Don't even say that. So thanks for checking out the channel as always. Like, subscribe, share, all that other crap. You know, I never say that, but you guys do it anyway. So I hope you really are, you'll stick around, and who knows what's coming up next with me. It just happens. But anyway, see ya.